Forecasting winter precipitation can be tricky in the south, in the north, and really across the world. And you say, how tricky can it be? Shouldn't it be easy? If it's freezing at the surface and it starts to rain, shouldn't it turn to snow? Well, here's the thing. It could be snowing in the upper levels of the atmosphere. It's very cold, but if it falls through a warm air layer, it falls to the ground as rain, even though it could be very cold to us at the surface. Speaking of surfaces, freezing rain is when the snow or rain falls through cold air, freezes, and then it melts through that warm air column and it freezes on contact with the ground. That's also known as black ice. And what about sleet? You got that cold air, it melts, but the warm air layer is much shallower than that larger warm area we first talked about with rain, and so it refreezes and falls to the ground as sleet or ice pellets. Then, if you have everything right and it's snowing from the very upper levels of the atmosphere and it falls through a complete cold air column, we get that snow and we get really happy and excited. Let's talk about another fun formation in the winter time, graupel. So it's kind of like sleet. The snowflakes fall from the clouds through the cold air. Then it falls through that shallow, warm layer of air, and it starts to melt a little bit. And the snowflakes take on a different shape. They take on more of a pellet shape. And then it falls to the ground, freezes, and it may look like this. Instead of ice pellets, sleet, little snowballs falling from the sky. Let's try something fun. Let's go ahead and make some snow. Into the kitchen we go, and one of the simplest ways I found to make snow is with baking soda and conditioner. You can also do it with shaving cream or even water. So I'm eyeballing this, and that's about a cup of baking soda, and then just squirt that conditioner in there. And then, all right, let's get dirty. It's good. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. No, you can see this. Oh yeah, I got some really good consistency here. That's a really good snowball. So you can have fun with your family in the yard because it won't melt. And I'm thinking about having a little fun with an anchor.